Hi guys, we're going to the beach. I actually think you guys haven't seen me with my hair down yet, but I have really long wavy hair. It's down to like almost my butt. Anyways, this is my fit for the beach. I have shorts under these, so yeah. We're in the car now. I brought a cup to make sandcastles. I don't know how old I am. I don't what I don't care how old I am. I'm still gonna make sandcastles. So we're already here now. My cousin actually owns this resort, so we get to swim at the beach for free. So yeah, we're here. I'm gonna wait for it to like for the sunset. They have like pictures. We're here. But I don't even want to get in the water. It's kind of cold, but yeah. I literally had to put my phone in a plastic bag yesterday. Yeah. That's my mom. Wait, that's my mom, my dad, and my uncle. I'm actually making sandcastles right now. So yeah, I have my cup. See ya, even though there's plastic. Let's put some sand in here. Woo! Ow! Stuck to the cup. Wait. Ah! Oh my gosh. So the water's gonna reach my phone. And my sandcastle. No! The sand is stuck. Hold on. There, perfect. Okay. Whew. Why is it sticking to the top? I don't get it. No. Oh, there. I broke though. Let's do it again. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Perfect. Wait, if it, no, the water. No, no. I'm gonna make a thing. So the water. No, the water's reaching them. Hey, wow. Can make another one here. It's not that perfect, but it's okay. Let's just shape it. Oh. I'm actually having so much fun with this. We're gonna make it super duper tall. No! It fell because of the water. Okay. Take some gum. Whoa! No! Okay. Perfect. No. Hold on, I'm gonna fix it. Actually, I have no idea what I'm doing. These castles look so bad. I think the 3-year-old can do better than me. But it's fine, I'm having fun. Ow, no, something bit me. What the heck? I keep saying perfect, but it's not perfect. Nice! That's nice. No, it keeps falling. I'm gonna cry. So, stay. What the fuck? Stay. No. I know you're gonna say, you're gonna say I'm stupid for doing this near the water. But I don't care because I don't want to move. Ooh, nice. Wait, I'm just gonna stabilize. Stabilize though. Don't break. Don't break. I swear if you break. No! Woo. No! No! Okay. Break the castle! Whee! Let's make a cake. You know those like 2020 videos where they would like the mud slimes or something? I know those. I'm obviously gonna fill in the things that I. Okay, let's swim.